The OJI Group is the founder of the paper-making industry in Japan as a truly modern industry. In the course of its paper operations, the OJI Group creates and uses a wide variety of resources. Those resources are forests, energy, and people. Today, the OJI Group is going beyond traditional boundaries into new business fields with its eye on an exciting future. In more than 140 years of history since its foundation, the OJI Group has contributed to the development of industry while improving people's lives. We have developed countless products and conducted extensive research and development. With the advance of globalization, consumers' lives are continually changing, both in Japan and overseas. The shifting structure of demand has prompted significant transformations at the OJI Group. In October 2012, the OJI Group reorganized as a pure holding company. Its aim was to maximize operating income and clarify its lines of management responsibility. Each in-house company under the OJI Group umbrella is striving toward new and more ambitious targets. Wrapping paper, cardboard, familiar household paper products such as Nepia brand tissues, toilet paper, and disposable diapers. The products in our household and industrial materials field are the closest to the daily lives of customers. At the OJI Group, we take pride in creating products that accurately serve customer needs with close attention to detail. Our user-focused system of multi-product, small lot production can handle orders as small as a single case, precisely matching customer requirements. The OJI Group's strength is in its ability to offer comprehensive solutions from material production to processing and package design. We leverage that capability to create wrapping products that delight customers every time. In the burgeoning economies of Asia, excluding Japan, the OJI Group has established OJI Paper Asia, its general headquarters for the region. In partnership with GS Paper and Packaging, Malaysia's biggest producer of paperboard and cardboard, the OJI Group is expanding its production of cardboard. Here, conscientious employees handle production with a laser focus on quality. The trust the company enjoys from customers testifies to the company's commitment to excellence. In 2011, we acquired the Haruta Packaging Group, boosting our market share in Malaysia to 30%. Vietnam. As tradition jostles with wrenching change, this country is enjoying a blistering pace of growth. At its 2 plants in Vietnam, Ojitex manufactures cardboard. This company serves its customers through its integrated material and processing business. Ojitex is also building a cardboard plant in the province of Bac Ninh to expand its market share in the northern part of Vietnam. In India, the OJI Group is leveraging cardboard operations to expand its general packaging business. While in China, the group is strengthening its packaging operations to serve a fast-growing market. In the printing and communications media field, the OJI Group handles papers used for the transmission of information, including newsprint, publishing papers, and office-use paper. Tomakomai Mill is one of the world's largest newsprint production sites. Each day, this plant in Hokkaido turns out enough newsprint to serve some 13 million households, furnishing a reliable supply to newspaper publishers throughout Japan. The OJI Group produces a wide array of paper products for a multitude of projects, content, and printer characteristics. These include publishing papers used in books and magazines, and printing papers for catalogs, manuals, and more. Lightweight yet thick papers. Papers that are thin yet completely opaque. Glossy papers for special printing needs. The OJI Group is working hard to develop papers that serve today's needs, while meeting customer expectations with an ever-widening lineup. In Japan, as recent advances in information communication technology have reduced the demand for paper, the OJI Group is focused on producing high-quality printing papers, enhancing its international competitiveness. By accurately gauging market needs and positively accepting changes in the demand structure, the OJI Group creates a production platform a step ahead of the competition. The group actively promotes recycling, putting waste paper to effective use. Overseas, the group is strengthening its international competitiveness through the Nantong project in China. When this kraft pulp production facility, now under construction, begins operation, it will serve as the group's mainstay factory in China, spurring activity in a wide range of operations. Our functional materials in-house company handles a wide range of value-added special papers and films. In Japan, we're strengthening our production of packaging and industrial films and related products. At its Shiga mill, the OJI Group provides reliable production of polypropylene films and is augmenting its battery of production equipment for the world's thinnest capacitor films, which are used in hybrid vehicles. In Brazil, the OJI Group has established OJI Papéis Especiais, a production base for products such as thermal papers used in imaging media operations. The OJI Group is actively expanding into high-growth countries, extending the global reach of its functional material operations. Paper offers limitless possibilities in a host of materials. Our in-house functional materials company leverages its wealth of paper-making technology to seek out new potential. OJI Holdings Research and Development Division puts that technology to work to open up fresh business fields. One such application is in nanodot arrays. These are fine nanoscale dot structures. Their patterns can be used to change the refractive index of a medium. The group expects to commercialize this technology in organic EL lighting, which currently suffers from brightness issues. By manipulating pulp fiber on the nanoscale, the group is creating transparent cellulose nanofiber. Nanobuckling is a revolutionary film that can control the direction of dispersion of light. The OJI Group is pressing ahead with R&D on applications for these technologies, which can deliver outstanding energy-saving effects. Stewardship of forest resources is a cherished mission at the OJI Group. We maintain 190,000 hectares of forest scattered across 700 locations in Japan. In many of these forests, the trees are felled at ages of 40 to 50 years. Planted by human hands, these forests are kept healthy through a program of regular felling and planting of new trees. Under contract from the New Energy and Industrial Technology Development Organization, our R&D division has built a pilot plant for bioethanol production inside our Kure mill. The OJI Group is expanding its biorefinery business in other ways. For example, we're improving our existing pulp production processes to produce furfural and dissolving pulp. These are used to make solvents for oil refining. In 19 locations across Japan, the OJI Group maintains hydroelectric power plants. Among these is a 50-megawatt plant in Hokkaido in the Chitosegawa River system. It powers facilities such as the Tomakomai Mill. The power generated at the Shiribetsugawa hydroelectric power plant is transmitted to Tokyo, where it is used by office buildings in the Marunouchi business district. The OJI Group plans to develop its clean energy business, generating geothermal and solar power. Overseas, the group launched afforestation operations in the 1990s. At afforestation zones, such as this one in New Zealand, the OJI Group processes chips and sells pulp products. Quy Nhon in central Vietnam. This historic city is home to Quy Nhon Plantation Forest Company of Vietnam Limited. The seedlings in this nursery shine a brilliant green. September is the rainy season, when the seedlings are planted where trees were felled. These 7-year-old acacia trees are supplied to a local wood processing company, where they will be turned into furniture. From forest development to wood processing, QPFL proudly serves as a comprehensive forestry operator. In Brazil, the OJI Group has made Cellulose Nipo-Brasileira a consolidated subsidiary and is working toward forest certification in all afforestation zones. As a solemn corporate responsibility, the OJI Group strives to preserve the Earth's environment and contribute to building a resource recycling society. As a group that is planting the seeds of the future. The OJI Group is determined to supply its customers with products they can trust while creating new value beyond its traditional boundaries.